Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix can't start Tinder on your mobile device. First, ensure that your device is connected to stable Wi-Fi or slower network. A weak or unstable internet connection can cause installation to fail. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or restart your router if needed. Make sure your device is compatible with Tinder. Tinder requires Android 6.0 or higher and iOS version 13.0 or later. You can go to the phone settings and check that and update to its latest version. Take your device storage. Inefficient storage space can prevent apps from stalling. You can go to the settings, then storage, and check how much space is available. Delete any unnecessary app, photos, or files for free up space for a Tinder app. Once you do that, your problem might be fixed. If you are connected to a VPN or proxy, it could be interfering installation. Disable your VPN and try installing Tinder again from the App Store or Google Play Store. Next up, restart your phone. Restarting your phone help clear minor bugs and glitches that might be preventing the app from installing. Simply turn off your device, wait a few seconds and turn it back on. Then try reinstalling Tinder again. If the above steps don't work, try resetting your network settings. Go to your settings, then go to network and internet and then reset network settings. It will reset your Wi-Fi, cellular and Bluetooth settings, which can sometimes resolve installation issues. By following all those solutions, your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.